Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this. I don't know what it is because I really don't know how I got it. Like, I haven't filmed in so long. It seemed like, I don't know, it's probably only been a week or so. But I sat down today and I got this look. It wasn't what I was going for, but it turned out cute or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna just go with it and leave it. But I like it. We just gonna roll with it, okay? But yeah, I got some glitter, and the glitter is just real cute, okay? And I got a dark lip on today, alright? So they just made it even better. They brought the whole look together, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to turn your notifications because you don't want to miss any of the videos I have coming up, okay? And turn your notifications on. Yes. What else? Share, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that button, okay? Thank you. And what else? Oh, and if you want to see me do any specific looks or just anything in period, like what more do you want to see on my channel, more from me, let me know down in the comment section, okay? And well, that's it. Okay, we're about to get into this bottom look, and I will see you in my next look. Okay, so the first palette we're going to use is the Venus 2. And I am going to take the shade Mustard, like it's really called Mustard. This is going to be our transition color, basically. And I already primed my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium 28. Okay, and I'm really having to build this color up. Like, it's somewhat pigmented, but not a lot. Like, you really have to dig into the palette to get the color payoff. Next, we're going into the Afrique palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take Cameroon, which is the brown right there. Okay, and I'm not going to add a whole lot of this brown. That's not my intentions anyway. Because I didn't add it on this side. I did it when I got finished. And it, like, I don't know what it did. I don't know where I was going with this look. Like, it turned out semi-cute. Like, I'm okay with it. I think the glitter is what made me like it. Okay, next we're going into the BPerfect Stacey Marie collaboration. And we're going to take Envy, which is this green shade. Okay, and next I'm still in that BPerfect palette. I'm taking Wasted, which is purple, and placing it in the crease right under the green. Like I said, I don't know where I was going with this look. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. Like, I've been doing looks, but I just haven't been filming them. I don't know why I just haven't been in the mood to. And I sat down like, you know what, let me film and do something. And this is what happened. Don't know exactly what it is, but it happened though. Okay, and as usual, I'm going to add some black in the crease just to deepen it up. Okay, and I'm going to go back into that green. I added a little bit more shadow on the brush. Okay, so for the lid, going back into the Afrique palette, and we're going to take Kofi, which is a bronzy gold color. Okay, so for this outer corner, I'm just going in with the black a little bit. And then I'm going to take the purple and tap it on top of it. Okay, and then for the rest of the lid, well, not the rest of the lid, but I'm going to put some glitter on top of the gold. And the company is called Prissy Paint. They sent me some glitters and some more stuff. And it's like gold. It's like a very light gold. It has flecks of different colors in it. And I can't pick it up and show because the container is literally filled to the top. So if I do that, it's like going to spill. But you see it on the eye, okay? It's real cute. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm using Juvia's Place Nubian. They're loose highlighters. And I'm using a Morphe. This is part of their Gilded set. This is the Morphe Y14 brush. Is the highlighter brush. I love this brush. I just got it, but I love it already. It just puts your highlighters on so smooth.